So today I have this set of marking knives. I usually got them not to use them for marking, but I use them for a lot of different purposes that I need in my shop. So they're really sharp, so be careful with the covers that comes with. It also comes with a really clean bamboo case. And we're gonna show you what we need it for. So a lot of the times we're doing small furniture, we don't wanna use a chisel. So these are perfect because you can get into corners and they're really sharp, so you can shave any piece of wood like that, as you see. So they really come handy if you want to take only a little bit. If you gotta shave something even in a circle, you can just shave it so it won't be sharp. They really come handy on everything. So with this marking knife, we get a square, and instead of doing it with the pencil, because we don't want to see pencil marks, they're really sharp, so you can make a line wherever you want to make a cut, as you see. And you can cut so you can see your lines. That's really fine, and that's what they're meant for. And this is our marking knife, so we're gonna mark it here, and then we're gonna cut it with our favorite tool. You see, it's for different purposes. Hold it in there.